Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I'd like to show you some Happy Mail I got. And how do I know it's Happy Mail? Because there is this adorable sticker that says Happy Mail. This came from Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. In January, I had done a video. It was part of our Smash Our Stash, and we were using washi tape. And I had lots of heart washi tape, but I had nothing for March. So she was kind enough to send me this adorable washi tape, and she must know that I use that gold foil in my cards a lot. So this will be beautiful in my planner and on cards and envelopes and everything. And she included this adorable card, which I'm pretty sure it's a sheetlet of cards. I don't remember the month. So that is what I got. Plus, she sent me the most adorable paper and cut-aparts. I don't know if I probably will make a little folio out of it. The buttons too. There's another one in there, which match so perfectly with all the paper. Get in there, you. But a couple of cut-aparts. I think there's 2 of each. Oh, that snail's adorable. Cute birds. Aw. So there is that. I know I have another one somewhere. Probably took it out, and it's on my desk. So there are these adorable cut-aparts. And let's look at the paper. And this paper is so adorable. These are the cut-aparts in it. And obviously it matches with the ephemera. And aren't these cute? Just adorable. These are going to look really good in a little folio. And look at the paper that comes with it. You know, I love the colors. For spring, there's a lot of pastels around, and I really prefer something with a little oomph to it. Like these colors are fabulous. Oh, look at that. It all matches so nicely together. Oh, aren't they cute? I don't have to mix and match because everything goes very well together. And look, there is enough here, really. I could do more than a folio. This would be enough for a mini album. Oh, look at those. Aren't those cute? And that is what I got. So I just wanted to show you the Happy Meal. Thank you so much, Teresa. I'm so glad you caught me before we hit the road. As you may know, we live in an RV, and we have been staying in Texas for the winter, and it is time for us to hit the road. And so we'll hit some post offices here and there, but she got us before we hit the road. So thanks so much, Teresa. I appreciate it. Have a fabulous day.